Hi, I'm Kate with the Learn2Care News Wire. Have you ever wondered how loneliness really feels? Today, I'll share how our new digital companion helps turn it into laughter. Joy is an AI companion that runs through a TV or tablet, keeping seniors engaged, safe, and connected without the tech hassle. It chats naturally, sends reminders, plays games, answers family calls, and keeps everyone in the loop. Early use shows Joy lifts mood, reduces isolation, and helps families feel closer than ever. It also enhances daily life, but doesn't replace human caregivers or handle medical emergencies. Most agencies introduce Joy through care programs or family subscriptions, saving time while deepening connection. Joy protects privacy with user consent, encrypted data, and secure caregiver access tools. Because at the end of the day, connection is care, and Joy helps keep that connection alive.